G'day everyone, Andrew from Minisport here. I'm in the workshop with Jordan and the team, and I thought we'd just take a moment to show you around some of the cool jobs we've got going on here. Let's go have a look. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour, and we look forward to bringing you more great videos and content of some of the really cool jobs we've got going on here at the moment and that are coming in soon. Thanks for joining us from Minisport.